Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tisha and this is the channel of happiness in homemade. Well, today's menu is going something very special, which is an Indian snack which is known as stuffed bread pakoda, which tastes delicious. Well, in the season of monsoon, this one is the best recipe to make at home. So let's start making it. So yeah, the bread pakoda is ready and it looks very delicious. You can also eat with this green chutney as well as with the tomato ketchup. Please must try this recipe at your home and do not forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment and like. Thank you.